Okay.
Looks like blood.
What?
Look.
What is that again?
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
No.
And how do you pick them?
If they're like, if they're
Easily removed from the stem.
What?
You-
Say it
they're
properly.
sometimes soft. So you
Sometimes soft. So if it's not soft, it's not
can- it's not-
ripe yet. Okay. How about ate? Be? Can I see you eating raspberry?
No,
Why?
Mom,
because I don't want to.
Let me see. Let me
I
see.
kindly refuse.
Mom.
Is it nice? You know what? This is expensive than blueberries. So
I expected raspberries to be sweet, but no. Not
Look.
very.
Oh, we have lots now. Daddy, where are you? Okay, those are raspberries. Right? If you can easily pull them, then they are ripe. Like this.
After we're getting raspberries.
See? Daddy? I don't know what you're doing. Are you really picking
Hi.
raspberries or you're just eating?
Just eating directly like this, huh? Lamig kayo.
Daddy, you're supposed to
Daddy,
pick
oh.
it and not eat it. I think we have enough now.
Di man ni picking ako, ah. Eating. No.
Oh, look. I have to pull them like that. Can you pull this up? There you go.
Wow.
Look. Yeah, spiky. Now are my kids over there? Let me see.
Oh, daghan na kay